The CFDE toxicology partnership is focused on elucidating the mechanisms underlying developmental defects and identifying novel teratogens. To achieve this, the cross-DCC partnership between the SPARC, Kids First Links, and IDG DCCs mined knowledge related to developmental toxicity from various Common Fund DCCs and other resources. This knowledge includes gene birth defect associations from GWAS studies, drug birth defect associations from the literature, and gene-drug associations from drug-induced gene expression data collected by links, as well as FDA-reported adverse drug interactions, drug target associations mined from literature, and chemical structure-based drug-drug similarity associations from IDG. Genetic burden scores from Kids First and placental crossing probabilities for drugs were also computed. All of the gathered data is stored in the reproductive toxicity, or ReproTox, knowledge graph. This knowledge graph is provided as a back-end Neo4j database, and it is also provided as an interactive graph-based interface for visualizing the associations between birth defects, drugs, and genes. Nodes are identified with readable labels as well as IDs from the Human Phenotype Ontology, NCBI gene, and PubChem. Starting with a specific gene, drug, or birth defect, users can explore all connections to the input node or find paths between any pairs of nodes. Edges are labeled by the resource from which the association was extracted from and can be filtered using a drop-down menu. Clicking on a node will display more information on the node, including the genetic burden scores for a gene or the placental crossing probability for a drug if available. External links to resources for the entity are also provided. The ReproTox knowledge graph can also be queried for the shortest path between a pair of entities. Visual aspects of the graph, such as the layout or size, can be adjusted as well. All currently displayed nodes and associations are also displayed in table format and can be sorted, filtered, or exported. Finally, all data serializations needed to create the ReproTox knowledge graph can be downloaded from the download page and loaded locally following the instructions provided on the portal.